ever found yourself hit with an unexpected expense, like a medical bill or a car repair, and thought, how am I going to handle this? It's a common feeling. But what if there was a way to handle these situations without the stress? In this video, we're diving into top 8 smart ways to handle unexpected expenses without stress. Whether it's setting up a wealth reservoir or automating your savings, these methods will help you stay calm and in control when life throws a curveball. So, are you ready to learn how to handle those surprise expenses without panic? Let's get started. 1. Build a wealth reservoir instead of a basic fund. When most people think about saving for the unexpected, they rely on a basic emergency fund. But it's time to think bigger. Instead of just saving up a small amount, you can create a wealth reservoir. Think of it as a highly liquid, tax-efficient buffer that's bigger, better, and more strategic. Start by building a $1,000 to $2,000 initial buffer. Then, gradually increase it until it covers 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. The idea here is not just to have a cushion, but to make it something that's easily accessible and can withstand life's bigger financial shocks. This means that you're not just building a small safety net. You're making sure that your reservoir can keep you afloat through larger financial challenges. Additionally, having this substantial reserve allows you to handle multiple unexpected costs without the need to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans. Having a wealth reservoir gives you the peace of mind that no matter what unexpected costs come your way, you're prepared. 2. Leverage AI-powered budgeting tools. In recent years, budgeting has evolved, and so should your approach. Gone are the days when you had to manually track every expense or guess where your money was going. Now, we have AI-powered budgeting tools that can help you forecast your financial future. Platforms like Enab, You Need a Budget, and Monarch Money offer zero-based budgeting and collaborative tracking, using AI to predict potential money leaks. These tools can even identify patterns in your spending and suggest areas for improvement. This way, you can anticipate where your money might be going before it gets there. These tools analyze your spending patterns and help you stay on top of your finances, ensuring you're always one step ahead of any unexpected expenses. With the AI-powered insights, you'll also get alerts about potential overspending areas and receive helpful tips on how to balance your budget more effectively. This proactive approach allows you to make adjustments ahead of time and avoid surprises. 3. Automate transfers. If you want to manage unexpected expenses without stress, consistency is key. Automating your savings is one of the most effective ways to make sure you're always putting money aside for emergencies, without the temptation to spend it elsewhere. Set up automatic recurring transfers from your paycheck directly into a high-yield savings account, HYSA. By automating this pay-yourself-first system, you eliminate the decision-making process, which means you'll never forget to save or make it a low priority. This ensures that you're consistently building a safety net that will be there when you need it most. Over time, these small but consistent deposits will grow into a significant emergency fund. Furthermore, this strategy eliminates the emotional roller coaster of deciding whether or not to save. It's out of your hands, and that makes your financial planning far easier and stress-free. 4. Adopt the wait before you buy rule for impulse control. Let's face it, we all make impulsive purchases. The excitement of seeing a sale or being persuaded by an ad can easily lead to a spontaneous buy. But here's a trick. Before you make any non-essential purchase, implement the wait before you buy rule. Simply wait before making a purchase. This small psychological shift will help you avoid making hasty decisions that could derail your financial plans. By waiting, you give yourself the time to think about the purchase and whether it's truly necessary. You'd be surprised at how much money you can save just by waiting a day. This rule also works wonders for preventing buyer's remorse. Often, after a brief waiting period, you'll realize you didn't need the item in the first place, and you can keep those funds for more important expenses. Additionally, waiting allows you to research alternatives or better deals, ensuring you're making a more informed and cost-effective decision. It also helps you avoid the instant gratification trap, which can lead to unnecessary spending and financial strain over time. 5. Utilize flexible pay-over-time plans. unexpected expenses can be overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with big-ticket items like HVAC repairs or medical bills. But what if you didn't have to pay all at once? Many service providers now offer flexible, interest-free pay-over-time plans that allow you to spread out the cost without the burden of high-interest credit cards. If you find yourself facing a large, unavoidable repair, don't hesitate to ask for a payment plan. These flexible options are becoming more common, and they can make it much easier to handle the financial hit of a surprise cost without adding unnecessary stress. Many service providers also offer these plans for a variety of services, from medical treatments to home repairs, making it easier to manage your expenses without compromising your financial health. Proactively inquiring about these plans is often the key to saving money. By spreading the payments over time, you're also reducing the immediate strain on your finances. 6. Capture financial windfalls immediately. Imagine getting a tax refund, a work bonus, or a cash gift, and then it just disappears into your regular spending. That's not the best strategy. Instead, make it a rule to direct any financial windfalls straight to your emergency fund. Whether it's a refund or a surprise bonus, immediately put that money into your wealth reservoir, or HYSA. By doing this, you'll boost your financial cushion and give yourself an extra layer of protection against unexpected costs. Don't let those one-time inflows slip through your fingers. One great way to implement this is by setting up automatic transfers whenever you receive windfalls. This makes it easier to capture the money before you have a chance to spend it on something else. 7. Review and negotiate subscription cost. In today's world, most of us are paying for multiple subscriptions that we barely even use. Streaming services, magazine subscriptions, gym memberships. These all add up, and many of us don't even realize how much we're wasting until it's too late. Luckily, there are now apps that can help you audit your monthly subscriptions, making it easier to spot those costs. Take the time to review your subscriptions regularly, cancel any you no longer need, and negotiate lower rates for those you do. A simple negotiation with your internet or insurance company can save you a lot more than you think. A quick review of your subscriptions every few months can uncover areas where you're overspending. You'll be amazed at how much you can save just by cutting out the services you don't use anymore. Additionally, many subscription services offer family or multi-user plans that can reduce the overall cost. Don't forget to check if any of your current services offer bundled discounts or special promotions that can help you save money in the long run. 8. Establish a secondary gig safety net. What if your main source of income dries up or you need extra cash for an emergency? That's where a secondary income stream comes in handy. Whether it's part-time gig work or freelancing, having a gig safety net can protect you from financial stress in case of an emergency. Start by finding a side hustle or freelance work that aligns with your skills. Not only will this provide you with extra money for unexpected expenses, but it can also help you diversify your income, reducing your reliance on a single paycheck. This extra buffer ensures you have more flexibility when faced with life's financial surprises. Furthermore, these secondary income streams can even offer flexibility, allowing you to increase hours or adjust based on your needs. Having this backup income source allows you to stay focused on your primary job without the constant worry of financial instability. And there you have it, top 8 smart ways to handle unexpected expenses without stress. These strategies can make all the difference when life throws financial curveballs your way. By taking proactive steps like building a wealth reservoir, automating your savings, and capturing windfalls, you can face unexpected expenses with confidence and without the stress. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial advice. Which strategy did you like the most, or which one would you adopt first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.